Hello dear students, in this video we will see introduction of as well as definition of magma and volcano along with few more definitions. This also includes the rock cycle in detail. So we'll start. Dear student, as you can see in the picture, this is a picture which showing magma at the bottom, and there is a vertical space which is known as vent, 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 which provide the space for magma to come upward towards the earth crust. With the help of crater or the mouth or opening, when the magma comes and fall on the surface of earth, then the magma is known as lava, and this is a volcanic eruption. And as you can see in the figure, volcanic mountain, layers of solid rock formed during earlier eruptions. So this shows how magma comes on the earth's surface and form a volcanic mountain in form of solidifies lava. Now this is a second picture which shows that magma reaches upward from the mantle towards the crust, and from the crust it comes out on the surface of earth. When magma falls on the surface of earth or come out on the surface of earth, that is known as lava. Along with lava, fly ashes and smoke is also released into the atmosphere, as you can see in the figure. Okay, beta. So we have seen, now this is the detailed picture which shows volcanic eruption, ash fly, then crust, mantle, oceanic crust, continental crust, as we have learned in geography chapter 2. With the help of vent, lava comes out. Okay, so this was little introduction. Now we'll see the main topic, that is explain the rock cycle with the help of diagram. So rock formation is a cycle, continuous cycle, but it takes time, more time. So as per the process of rock cycle, the formation of all rocks starts from magma or molten rock, which is found deep inside the earth. Next, magma cools down to form igneous rocks. These igneous rocks are brought to the surface of the earth due to earth's movement, like folding and faulting, ups and downs. Next, over millions of years, the rocks break down due to weathering and erosion to form sediments. Here, weathering, so we'll see definition of weathering. Weathering is the breaking down of rocks, soils and minerals. So weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks, soil and minerals. Whereas erosion is the physical process in which soil, rock and other surface material are removed from one place or one location and transported to another location. So this is a erosion which forms sediment. The sediment are transported by water, wind or ice to different places, where they are deposited in layers or strata. These deposits eventually compressed and hardened to form sedimentary rock. As we know, sedimentary rock is also known as stratified rocks because it's formed due to layer one above the other. Due to high temperature and pressure, igneous and sedimentary rocks are transformed into metamorphic rocks. Movement of the earth can push metamorphic rocks deep into the mantle or the middle layer of the earth, where they change back to molten magma inside the earth. This continuous cycle through which one form of rock is changed into another is called as the rock cycle. With a figure, as we can see the figure, we show the rock cycle. Magma with intrusion and eruption converted into igneous rock. Igneous rock further, due to weathering, erosion, converted into sedimentary. After deposition, converted into sedimentary rock. This sedimentary rock, due to heat and high pressure, changed in metamorphic rock. This metamorphic rock, due to burial and extreme heat as well as earth's movement like folding and faulting, again converted into magma after falling down into the middle layer of the earth, that is mantle. So this is the cycle known as the rock cycle, and in form of flow chart we can represent it like this. We will go from left to right, then right to left, continuous cycle as shown in the flow chart. Magma to igneous rock, igneous to sedimentary rock, sedimentary to metamorphic, then metamorphic to again magma, then igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, and then magma. So this is a rock cycle process. I hope you people have understood the concept of rock cycle. Thank you, children.